I'm really excited to show you guys industrial injection C15 Reman injectors. Check these out. Okay, if you guys know anything about industrial injection, you know that they know about their injectors. So let me tell you about the C15 injector. This right here is what they call the new Blue Line. It's their Blue Line injector, and the reason why they call it that is because they have tightened up their tolerances more than the OEM injector.
Line injectors are these two lines, and they're tight tolerance. All of our injectors are in these two lines. That's why we call them the Blue Line injectors.
This is a better built injector, better balanced, better solenoids. Everything about it is better than the OEM. The injectors come with a new hold down bolt and new O-rings on this for easy installation. The nice thing about this injector, it comes with a 2-year warranty. Each solenoid is tested for perfection to make sure on install, this thing's gonna fire up and run right. My good friend Cody that runs the pump shop over there, he lives for this. This is what he thinks about every day. He wants to know everything about them. They have to go through so many different avenues to test and bench flow this and balance this injector. So believe me, when you guys get this, it shows up in this beautiful box that actually they care about. You will get this injector, put it in your truck and drive away and never look back. Industrial Injection is the leading reman facility in the world. So if you guys are looking for a good injector that you want to know that when you put it in your rig, it's going to run, go to industrialinjection.com, get on the phone, talk to somebody over there. They're all professionals and they will direct you the right way.